Yaşasınlar koçum sen.
Onto the road, please. Onto the pavement. Onto the pavement, please. Move back.
Don't hurt her! Don't hurt her!
Get out of the boat.
Don't hurt her!
Get up.
Don't fucking hurt her! Go arrest him there! Look what you're doing to women! Look what you're doing to women!
That's Alex, Alex. I'm not.
What are you doing? What are you doing to students? Students! Tell them to stop! Tell them to stop! Tell them.
Okay, she's going to be fine. Right, so I'm asking you to step away because you're not helping the situation. Okay?
If you shut up, I can hear him. Please, you're hurting people. You're hurting people. You're hurting people. You don't care, do you? You have to work with this. You give a shit. Please.